Guys, what's up? It's Mark. So check this out. Here I have one of my vehicles I've had for many, many years. I've enjoyed countless times with it, going four-wheeling on trips to Busco Beach, Hatfield, McCoy in Tennessee, and everywhere else. I've been kept up on the maintenance of it to the T, oil changes, chain lube, keeping it clean, power washing it, garage kept. This, my friends, is a 2007 Suzuki LTR 450, a rare breed made a while ago, which was discontinued. They don't even make the bike anymore. It's a quad racer, it's rear-wheel drive, and it's an amazing, amazing fast machine. Check it out. Go around the back of the exhaust. Oh man, that was a blooper and a half.